In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool tip with kubectl get command. Right now, I have a very simple YAML file with a single deployment with one replica. Let me create that deployment. So I'm simply running kubectl create-f with sample.yaml. So let it finish. It just won't take long. So as you can see, now we have some YAML. Now, if you simply run kubectl get on this YAML file, you will know the status of the resources running in this deployment in this cluster. So now as you can see, it has displayed me in the next deployment. So instead of getting all the resources, you can simply run the get command on that YAML file and it will display you the status of those resources. Now let me delete it and then we will try that get command again, and it shouldn't show us any of the resources. It's deleted. Now let's run that get command again and it shouldn't be showing us any of the resources. As you can see, nothing was found. I hope that you liked this tip. If you know any cool trick or tip with kubectl, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.